YouTubers, and welcome again to Silly Sid 123. Here we have one of the rarest juniors ever, I think. This is a 1981 Hoover Junior High Power Compact U2128 Royal Wedding Special Edition. Now I'm not sure if I'm the only one with a working one. There's no other videos on YouTube whatsoever of this machine, but this it's the Royal Wedding one because it celebrates the wedding of Princess Diana and Prince Charles in 1981, and Hoover made this special one to celebrate. How I ended up getting this is quite amazing, really. After being let down by a seller that was selling a very similar high power compact hardbag, after a lot of contact with him, he eventually said, "Oh, I tested it, the motor went bang, so I smashed it up, sorry, it's no longer for sale." I was quite upset after looking forward to the pictures and the videos he sent me and all the rest of it. So I was really angered, and I really wanted a hardback junior. After playing with Dorian's, Hoover Luxes, check out his channel, of his U2128. And well, I fell in love with it, and I really wanted one for like ages and ages. But anyway, so I asked about on Facebook, and of course one of my mates decided very kindly to sell me this one that he had. Thank you very much, you know exactly who you are, thank you so much. I paid £100 for this machine, as I just thought to myself, I'm not going to pay him little for it, it's too rare. And so yes, so here we are. It's in a bit of a state, it just needs a really good clean. It's scratched, but it sounds brand new, and they don't call it high power compact for no reason. So you're going to see a lovely short demo of this very rare machine. YouTubers, thank you for watching. I am so impressed with the motor in this girl. She really did sound fantastic. She did sound brand new. Wow, she beated the carpet, she picked up everything. I am really pleased to have this in my collection, especially this very rare, unbelievably rare wedding special. So I really hope you've enjoyed watching this video. There will be a full flat demo in the future of this girl, so please stay tuned for that. Please stay safe and protect the NHS and save lives. Like, subscribe and enjoy my videos. Thanks for watching and we'll see you soon.